So basically, I've had news, well, a few days ago now, that my pension isn't worth as much as it was, and because now I'm on the cusp of getting to the age of 55, this is like a private pension I set up 30 years ago. It's taken a hell of a tumble, and it's only took just a few things like maybe the thing with Brexit, a few months back, and also mainly the biggest one is the coronavirus, which has hampered a lot of people's pensions. The pound's gone down, etc., etc., on the verge possibly of recession. But the main topic I want to talk about was because when I set that pension up 30 years ago, that's when my old man died. Actually, he died at the age of 55, and it's almost like symmetry in a way. I'm coming up to the age that he passed away, and he planned his whole entire life around getting his pension, and he never got to his pension. And in fact, it got cut in half when he died because he died in service. So, what's the point I'm trying to make here, guys? It's maybe it's about the regret of not being able to give him any advice about because online entrepreneurship didn't exist in his time, so maybe he couldn't change his life around. But maybe I've just hit on the point now. It's not too late for you guys. You guys do not have to work 30, 40 years plus to wait for your pension, and then hey voila, something like the coronavirus comes along, wipes out stocks and shares, wipes out your pension, and then overnight, all what you've worked for and built up for, like my dad did, it's gone to waste, hasn't it? It's pitiful, really, to be able to say that his life was, he had a few regrets maybe that he knew he was just kicking the clock down, ticking down the time bomb to his retirement, and he never even got there. He was actually well short in the end. So guys, maybe don't wait for that to happen. Maybe start this online journey today, even if you're only taking a little sneak peek. Because I'll tell you now, if this recession that we're talking about is going to come, we all need to be prepared for it. And we certainly don't want to be working another 20, 30 years to get a pension that might not happen. So yeah, just a little quick one for you there, guys.